Food. 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 What? Food. What? Food. I don't... food. 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 In my bowl. Oh. Now! Okay, no, I got it that time. That makes all the sense. Food. Food. Well, good morning, everybody. Back here in Orlando. I have actually come back to the Claremont Thousand Trails Orlando Park that is 8 miles from Disney World, from downtown Disney. Got my cat crossing sign up. What I didn't know about this campground is that they have some 800 sites. I mean, they have more loops for camping than I was shocked. So, you might not even remember the last place I camped when I was here. It was just a concrete pad right next to other RVs. This is the woodsy section. So if you ever come to the Claremont Thousand Trails Campground near Orlando, in Disney World, ask for the woods section, the D section, because it's a little more primitive and you're not staring at other RVs. This is my backyard back here. I really like it. And this is my little stopover point until I get back over to the East Coast here. Yeah, it's nice to camp. I will mention my Rhino sewer hose here. You'll remember I cut the tabs off to be able to fit into the holder here, which I let you know was a bad idea because that's what keeps this secured onto the sewer attachment right there. So in the meantime, I've put on a sort of temporary cap here that has a little yellow thing. You can spin that with the little clamp, and that way this hose will still fit in the compartment. And then the cap, the clamp, and the see-through elbow all go in this Ziploc bag and then go into my storage compartment, my garage on the side, so that the hose itself still fits in here and out of the way. And I am going to actually drill some holes in the bottom of this just so that if there's any leakage or anything going on, it won't be compressed in there and get hot and smelly. But I've shown you this resort before, so I'm not gonna do a tour around here. They got a pool. They got 2 pools and a sauna and tennis courts and all sorts of stuff. I am going to get on the bike and ride the whatever it is 8 miles to downtown Disney and go have some fun. I love Disney, guys, and Disney Springs is free to park, free to get in. I'm gonna watch a movie there at the big dine-in movie theater for AMC, and we'll go explore, and if I see anything new, I will share that part of my day with you. How does that sound? Okay. Also, when I got in last night, I met back up with some of my Texas friends, Josh and Clarissa, who I've seen a couple times. They actually gave me this t-shirt. We went out to eat last night at a nice burger joint in town, and that was fun. So let me pack up a few things. The sun is supposed to come out in a few hours. I'll get all geared up, and we'll go play today. Now, it's still going to be some 79 degrees at some point today when the sun decides to come out, but that's why I brought the zippered hoodie, and I'm wearing long pants. Oh well. They're actually fixing up old Merlin, the Magic Castle gift shop. Every corner down this whole street till we get to Disney is gonna have gift shops and discount Disney tickets and everything. But I'll swing back through here tonight when it's dark, so maybe it'll be all lit up brand new. Actually, I went into the Magic Castle over there to look around at their gifts and inside the store, and I asked them about it. They're not replacing the neon of that sign. They are converting to LED strips and everything. So I know Adam DeWoo was here recently looking at it. Next time you're here, though, no more neon, guys. They are going LED, which is probably a smart idea. Look at this giant Mermaid storefront. See, they put a lot of effort into it. And a lot of coastal Florida places, they try to get creative to get people in here. I get it. It's pretty cool. But there's only so many shot glasses and coffee cups and magnets that are personalized with everybody's name on it. And I'm just like, eh. So here's what I'm going to do. Since Disney Springs has free parking and free entrance, I am going to go over there. So I'll go find a spot, hopefully, in the garage. And I'll get back to you when we get there. All parked. It was really easy for me. I really like this parking garage here at Disney. It is still currently free, although there are rumors that it's going to cost eventually. This parking garage tells you where the parking spots are available. So you can see that green one with the arrow. That means there's one spot available down there, and they know that because they installed sensors through here that know when cars come and go. That way it'll tell you also on the other floors where there's room. But what I noticed last time when I was here was that as soon as you get in, the very first slots are assigned for motorcycles. So that's kind of cool. And it's literally the first parking spot right after you come into the Lime garage. So, all right, I'm gonna go explore for a little bit here, share anything new with you. And I got my movie reservation for the World War I restoration. They did 3D color, all this stuff from really old film. They Shall Not Grow Old, I think it's called. Yeah, so I got my reservation for that later tonight. So, okay. So many of you know I was already here the week before Christmas. I will put a link up top if you want to check out some of my vlogging from all of the parks and Disney Springs and the campground and all that. If you want to check that out later after this video. But you know, I was kind of critical of the whole remodel of World of Disney when it first came out. Really critical. I thought it looked really plain and everything. But after seeing what they did with Christmas with all the lights and projections in the store, I can see how they can adapt it a lot more to like each season. So take you in there actually. So as you can see, just 2 months later, it doesn't look Christmassy at all. All of the red garland and green decorations and all of the projections that were green and red on the ceiling, they just look more natural now. And it's 2019, so we've got all the gear for 2019. Like the Walt Disney Vision Cup with the hidden Mickeys in there. Can you see them? And some new designs for coffee cups. Like the sketchbook Mickey. It's pretty empty here in the morning, but that's what it looks like. It's actually growing on me, to be honest with you. I like what they've done with the place. See, even over here in the princess section, they can put different projections on that screen instead of Christmas stuff. So I think it's a lot easier for them to decorate for holidays now. I will want to get a new magnet before I leave today, but there's a lot of Disney stores to visit, so I'll pick out the best one on my way out tonight. I guess now's the time to go to the Lava Lounge. It is pretty empty in there. Huh. Am I really too early? It's 11:30. Where's everybody? It's getting busy now. I am not doing the Parmesan chicken like I always do. I'm trying something different. No Parmesan chicken this time. Yeah, that is teriyaki salmon. It's been a long time since I've had salmon. In fact, I think the last time was at Disney World a couple of years ago. Oh my gosh. That's good. Fire, fire. Right on cue. Now the sun's out. Nice and sunny. Ditch the long sleeve till later tonight. I know it's February, but I always love Christmas. Go see what they got. Oh my gosh, they got Merlin from Sword in the Stone. A special 55-year anniversary of Merlin. In case you didn't know, Sword in the Stone is my all-time favorite Disney movie of all time. #1, Sword in the Stone. I actually did not know that Roger Rabbit was Disney. I probably should have known that. Huh, 30-year anniversary. Gotta get a pineapple Dole Whip. Gotta. Anyway, I want to walk around and experience a little more of the springs without filming. I'm here a lot, you know, but anyway, just wanted to share it with you, let you know I'm in a good mood. And I'm gonna go see my movie. So I'll let you know how that goes tonight when we get back to the resort. Just sitting up here enjoying a tall Coke with this nice view over down Disney Springs, and for 20 bucks you can ride this big, you know, it's a hot air balloon or whatnot, but you can ride it up there and get a nice view of it. But I'm gonna pass on that. It's almost time for my movie, about an hour to go. Really good movie, guys. That's over 100-year-old footage that was remastered and put color. And you got to see it in 3D if you get a chance. Please, guys, I highly recommend that movie. They Will Not Grow Old. Very good World War I documentary. Loved it. Looks like we got some live music here outside the bowling alley. But it's time to head back to the RV. I want to check in on Jax before it gets dark. I don't like riding the motorcycle at dark, so I'm gonna scoot on back real quick. All right, I'm back safe. It is quiet here. I love it. It was a little cold on the trip back. It took about 45 minutes to ride 8 miles through traffic. And while I didn't like having to carry around the long sleeve zipper and wearing pants, I was sweating walking around. I was very thankful I had it. We were going 55 mile an hour on that motorcycle and the wind hitting me. Very thankful to have an extra layer. So tomorrow, I'm going to go to a park. I'm going to go into Epcot. And for the first time in 5 years, I'm going to go experience a Disney park without a video camera. I'm not going to share any of it with you. I'm just going to enjoy Disney for Disney. Might take some pictures and put those on Instagram or something. But yeah, just going to spend one more day at a park before I leave the Orlando area. So, and I won't bore you with that, but if you haven't seen any of my Epcot videos, I'll put one up here if you want to watch it. Otherwise, you can stick around, and in a couple days, I'll be somewhere else with you. So, have a good night, guys. Jackson, I will see you very soon. Bye-bye.